Hey, welcome back. This video is on how to make red velvet caramel slice. Let's get started. First, start by adding the Oreo crumbs, plain flour and sugar to a large bowl and mix well. Pour in the melted butter and mix well again. Press the mixture into a slice tray and bake for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. While the base is baking, let's make the filling. Pour a can of condensed milk into a saucepan on a very low heat, add the butter and mix well. Add the milk chocolate and stir until melted and combined, and be super careful as condensed milk burns really easily, so just keep stirring it the whole time on a really low heat, and when it's done, take it off. When the base is finished cooking, remove from the oven and pour over the filling. Return to the oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until the filling has firmed up. Then allow this to cool completely. Then melt white chocolate in a double boiler over low heat. For Valentine's theme, I also melted some milk chocolate and added some red food dye. And then just pour the white chocolate over the slice and add spoonfuls of the red chocolate mix and mix this with a toothpick or a skewer just to kind of make swirly patterns. And lastly, if you want, add some heart decorations and put in the fridge to set. And cut this up and serve it to your loved ones. And if you want to go the extra mile, just get a nice tin, some doilies or some tissue paper or something. And put your pieces of slice into little cupcake liners, add a bow, maybe write a nice card, and there you go. A really nice homemade loving gift for your boo, or your friend, or your family, it doesn't matter, for someone that you love. Anyway, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this video and you had a great Valentine's Day. See you next time.